Hi, I'm Gregory from Car to Rent. Let me show you how you can save about 30 to 40% on your car rental with few techniques that I will show you. So Car to Rent is our car rental platform. We are searching for the best car rental deals for you according to the destination you are looking for. You are going on holidays, on vacation, or during your business trip. So first, when you arrive on the site, you have the search engine, few price indicators of that you can find of the vehicles, and a few recommendation on where to go and what to see in the destination and where is mostly located the car rental agencies. Well, but let's go directly to what we are looking for. It's a car rental in Malaga. So if you are going to Malaga, you have few opportunities, few options to rent your car. Of course, you have directly from the airport or from the city center. I advise you to always look first at the airport. Why? Is because car rental are mostly cheaper in the airports. All right, and then you don't have to go inside the city center to waste time and money to rent your car. So let's give it a try. Let's start to find from Saturday 10 o'clock to the other Saturday 10 o'clock. What is really important is if you like to return the car in another destination, you can of course do it, but know that the if the pickup and the drop off is different location, you will pay extra for it. All right. So let's not try to do it this way. In the website, you know that is secure payment. We have the best deal on car rentals. You can compare. There is no problem. Um, you can hire a vehicle anywhere. So if you are first satisfied by your rental, you know that we are plugged with all providers worldwide. We don't have any fees, card fees. There is, if you want to amend your car, cancel, change, there is no fees up to 2 weeks before your pickup. So you can book now and then maybe change more than 2 weeks before your pickup. There will be no charge. So that's pretty handy and give you the flexibility you wish. And you can contract directly additional insurance with us. So let's search for cars. So what we do is we are going to check every providers we have in the destination, and we will provide you all the deals available there. On the top, you have the car type. So you can check from mini, economy, compact, SUV, estate, standard. Well, I will let you go through all the categories, even luxury one and large one for big families or for groups. On the left side, you have all the filters you can play with. So I advise you to always try automatic. This is one of the option that it will make your car rental cheaper. You can either pick up at the airport inside the terminal or with a free shuttle bus, which means that you are escorted by the company to the um, destination. Well, anyway, I will advise you to take directly in the terminal because it's more handy. But with the free shuttle bus, normally it's cheaper. Always depend of how much you will, what you're going to do, what will be your trip. If you go around Malaga, if you just stay in Malaga and just see some sites, do some sightseeing or some. If you want to go to some road trip, I advise you to take some limited mileage. Otherwise, it can be restrictive for you, or it can cost you extra if you are overpassing the limit. The fuel policy, I will advise you fuel to fuel, full to full. Why is or same to same? Because if you don't do that, which means that it will be the provider, the car rental agency, that will refill the car, and then you will have to pay extra for the manual work. And there will be an extra charge for the price of the fuel. So I advise you to select fuel full to full. And when you pick up the car as well, you know that you can drive. The car will be full of petrol. Um, Electric or hybrid, well, this you choose, but there will be extra cost for having those options. One good thing is if you are driving a lot, well, put diesel. Diesel will be a good things to do if you wanna, of course, get some optimization for your fuel cost. And then you can select from customer rating, the agencies, and you have all the agencies there. But it's really important to check if you want to go for a deal or feature that there will be the promotion at the time. You just need to click on guaranteed car model or 10% off. What is guaranteed car model? It means that normally the car rental agencies, what they do is they promise you a Mini, so a Fiat 500 or the type of the same category. So you can maybe not have a Fiat 500, you can maybe have another type of car, but in the same category size. So if you are clicking there, it means that it will be exactly the same model. Okay, so let's exactly. So then passenger, the level of passenger, if there is a credit or debit card, so you need to know that always you are paying on the site with the car, so you have the full right to get your car rental at the destination. But then at the destination, in the agency, they will ask you for a credit card. Why? It's about it's a policy that if there is any damage, they know that they can use your credit card. So always take one with you. And here's the deposit policy and the excesses policy. Well, so now let's have a look. So here you have all the different information about every cars. If it is if you can go and pick up the car with the free shuttle, or what is the fuel policy, the mileage, what is the agency, how is the agency rated? So that's great. It's a good thing to know. Always try to find agencies above 6.5, and the included fees. So you know all the cancellation, amendment, collision, damage, thief protection. This is all included without any extra with this price per day. All right. And if you want to know more, you can even have the refund policy, the damage thief fixes, the limited suppliers insurance policy, extra. So this is pretty handy. You can go through all the different cars and the different configuration and option, and to select the best one for your holidays. And if you are not convinced, but you want to send the cars to your email, just push your email address, and then you will receive the quotes inside your email. That will be pretty handy. So if it's this car that you like to rent, this is the price per day, and this is total price for the amount of days. So just click select. And then there is a list of questions that we need to know, and the list of options you can take or not. If you want to have an additional driver, a GPS, a child toddler seat, a booster seat, an infant child seat, a Wi-Fi access, well, you will choose what you want the best for Malaga and for your trip. Course, the insurance, if you want extra insurance per day or not, if you want the premium cover, or if you want to continue with the limited cover. Then you fill out your name, surname, your details, the age, your credit card, your agreement, and you confirm your booking, and that will be done. So here we saw that there was many options to take in consideration to rent a car in Malaga. To have the best price, you need to focus on the same pickup and drop off. Please rent from the airport. It's normally cheaper. It's more convenient as well because you arrive by plane most of the time on the spot, so you can drive and go directly to your holiday places. You need to check if you want diesel or not, manual, mileage. Uh, the really important factors that can make the price now vary from the price you will pay at the end. Okay, and fuel to fuel policy. You just have more or less those factors you need to know. What we didn't see here is that you need to book in advance. This is always cheaper in advance, always cheaper during the week as well. So this is pretty good to know. And that's about it. So I wish you a very pleasant journey in Malaga. Let me know if you hired a great car and if you want to have more deals about other location in Spain, because we are providing as well some cars in Marbella, Ibiza, Barcelona, Madrid, Girona, Alicante, well, and other places of Spain. So let us know, and we will be really happy to help. Thank you very much, and have a great day.